Hey guys, let's talk about the change of base formula. Consider the log of 12 base 4. If you just try to do this on your calculator, the problem is the LOG button is actually log base 10, and the LN button is actually log base E. So most calculators don't have a log base 4. Now, some of the really expensive calculators might have a way of you typing this in, log of 12 base 4, but almost all of them, even the cheap calculators, have a way for you to type this in if you know the change of base formula. So the change of base formula says, hey, if I have something log base 4, so log base 4 of 12, I could write that as a log of 12 divided by the log of 4. The way you do that is you write log of, instead of base 4, you write log of 4 base 10, and have the log of 12 base 10 on top, like that. So it's the log of this number on top and the log of that number on the bottom. That's the change of base formula. And you can just divide that, punch it in your calculator, divide it. This one's approximately 1.79. So the change of base formula, you need that a lot of times in a college algebra class, or maybe an algebra 2 honors class or pre-calculus, something like that, to be able to calculate a logarithm that has a base other than 10 or a base other than E. And so the change of base formula is very helpful. I've seen problems like this on the ACT test also, where you have to do this calculation. Bye.